Ancient Egyptians claimed to come from the land of Punt, now modern-day Somalia. The Arab invasion and occupation of northern Africa, including Egypt, is a recent well-documented historical event not be denied. Arabian DNA and Islamic religion are not indigenous to North Africa. Ancient Egyptians themselves claimed to come from the land of Punt. The land of Punt, believed to include parts of modern-day Somalia, Eritrea, and Djibouti, was a crucial trading partner for ancient Egypt. Queen Hatshepsut's expedition 1479 to 1458 BCE brought back incense, myrrh, gold, and exotic animals. Pharaoh Sahur also ventured to Punt during the Old Kingdom 2458 to 2446 BCE. In 1858, Mariette discovered a wall in the funerary temple of the pharaoh Hatshepsut 1479 to 1458 BCE at Deir el-Bahri, which depicts an Egyptian expedition to Punt during the Queen's reign. These historical ties between ancient Egypt and Punt Somalia area highlight the Horn of Africa's role as a hub